everybody. Welcome back to Tbs Kitchen. Welcome to those of you who are new to my channel. Today I would like to ask, if you have not subscribed, how about subscribing to my channel? Leave me a comment and I'll reply back to you. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be making an African dish. It's called Kuku Paka. This is a dish that is served in Kenya, and it looked very good to me, and I have never made this, which most of you that watch me know most everything I fix I have never made before. So I want to give this dish a try. I think it probably has sort of like a Middle Eastern flair to it with the spices that's in it, but it looked and sounded really good to me. So I'm going to start by showing you the list of ingredients, and we're going to get this dish cooking for mine and Clayton's dinner tonight. So let's get started. Here's the list. You will need chicken leg quarters, coconut milk, tomato paste, minced garlic, minced ginger, bay leaves, paprika, turmeric, cumin, chili powder, chopped onion, diced tomato, black pepper, salt, lemon juice, vegetable oil, Greek yogurt, and fresh cilantro. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is salt and pepper my chicken, season it, and get it ready to go in my pan, which I have the oil in, and I have it getting hot. Okay, I'm just going to place my chicken in the oil and let it start cooking. You want to brown all the sides of your chicken. I'm just going to add some more pepper. Okay, the chicken has browned pretty well, so I'm going to take this up. All right, I'll set the chicken aside. And now to this, I'm going to add my chopped onion. And I'm going to saute these until they're kind of a golden brown, which could take anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes. I also did forget, in my ingredients list, you have to have either chicken stock or water that you're going to add to this. And I forgot to put that out, so. Okay, my onions have been cooking for several minutes now, and they're starting to turn golden, so now I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic to this. And you want to saute this for about 30 seconds, just long enough to release the flavors. Okay, and so now I'm going to start adding my other spices to this. And I want to just kind of toast my spices. And I'm going to place my bay leaves in. Okay, and now I want to add my tomato paste. This smells wonderful. Okay, and now I'll add my diced tomatoes to this. And the coconut milk. You want to stir this to incorporate it all together. Now, like I said, I forgot to mention in the ingredients list that you will either use chicken stock or water, and I'm using chicken stock. So I'm going to add some chicken stock to this. I'm going to put it in my coconut milk can so that I can get all of my coconut milk out of that. And I'm going to add this to my mixture here, and then I'm going to add my chicken back to it. I want to just stir this all really well. And now I'm going to place my chicken back in. And I'm going to pour my juices back in from the chicken. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Then I'm going to cover this and I'm going to bring it up to a boil. So I'm going to turn my heat up high and bring it to a boil. And then I'll lower the heat and I'll let it cook until the chicken is cooked through, which will take about 15 minutes. I have my rice on cooking, and so I will serve this over rice. Okay, that's coming to a boil, so now I will turn the heat back down and let this just simmer. I'm going to put it on a medium-low heat and let it just cook until the chicken cooks. And so when that gets to that point, I'll be back then. Okay, my chicken has been cooking for about 30 minutes, the internal temperature of it. It's 214. It should be at least 165. And so we're past that. So now I'm going to turn the heat back up on it. And I'm going to let this simmer for just a little bit to kind of reduce the sauce down a little bit. And when that gets to that point, then I'm going to add my dollop of yogurt. And the cilantro. And then this will be ready to eat. It smells really good, y'all. I hope that you will give this a try. I need to taste it for my seasoning. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. That is very good. Okay, now I'm going to add a dollop of the Greek yogurt and some lemon juice. And a heaping of cilantro. And I'm just going to stir this together to incorporate the flavors. You don't have to use the yogurt. That's an optional thing. It just helps to enhance your flavors, and it also helps to thicken it, give it a little bit more of a thicker consistency. Not much. And this is done. Now all I have to do is take it up, serve it over a bed of rice, which I have cooked, and do a taste test. I have cooked basmati rice, which is a long grain rice. It's really fluffy and So that's the type of rice I have cooked for this dish. So I am going to spoon up some of this gravy on my rice. And get a couple of pieces of chicken. Clayton has just made it home from the sawmill, and I really think he's hungry. So, this is his dinner. I hope he likes it. Anyway, we're going to try it out and see. Okay. Now I want to try some of my chicken and my rice, and let's see how good people in Kenya eat. Here is to you, Kuku Paka Chicken from Kenya, Africa. That's good. Oh my goodness. That will explode with flavor in your mouth. It's got such flavor to it. Of course it should with all the spices that it has, but oh my stars, that's really good, y'all. I hope you'll give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna have to sign off. My husband is home, he's hungry. He's worked hard today, and I have got this delicious dish for him, and I really think he's hungry. So, that being said, I am B-Boss saying, may the Lord bless and keep you and your family safe. And until we see each other again, you have a great day, but I'm going to see you again, hopefully, really soon in another video. Bye.